painting of a bird, and for that we need to have a portable drawing board, and then of course another one where we can do the inclination part of it by raising the basic structure. This is a metallic paint. There is always some shine on the feather of birds, so for that I'll be using a little of metallic paint as well, taking due care that I don't overdo it. You just don't have to forget the masking fluid that we have applied is to be removed as well. And even though I have removed a little from this place, but there's some masking fluid over here, and that's to be taken care of, and even here. So this is coming off nicely. So we have always a spray bottle, and just to wake up these colors. An easy way, and this I've done, and now it's my choice. The colors I have to use all available. Just need to stir them a little. I need to have a dark color which I can apply in certain places to give a suggestion of shadows, or where the light is not falling, things like that. Well, this is yet another portrait of a bird, the painting of a bird, and for that we need to have a portable drawing board, and then of course another one where we can do the inclination part of it by raising the basic structure, just in case if we need to have an angle with our painting to facilitate flow of watercolor by gravity. And the first item would be to fix the paper on the board with a masking tape, and for that this is the masking tape. I just need to be a bit careful to maintain the margins around. Same margins have to be applied on all sides, and if we have right tools in hand, then it's not going to take much time. This is it, and let me go this way, and just make sure you're keeping the same margin as you kept in the bottom, and this is it. Half a millimeter or a millimeter can do, but then there should not be a lot of difference between the margins. It looks symmetrical. Well, this is my reference picture, and before drawing we need to look at the picture very minutely, even though it doesn't require a very high accuracy, but at the same time we have to maintain the curvature of the beak from here, and almost a straight line here, even though there's a little of bulge here, and then a curved point here, and then the neck, a sort of very thick neck here, and of course then the body, and then the tail, and then these wings tucked in, and of course we have to take care of the position of eye here, and there's the branch of the tree, and go forward. And for that, first of all, let's place where our things will be. Like if we keep the head here, we exactly would like to maintain where is our beak, and we need to leave a little space here so that the painting looks good, and we are able to put some background also for the bird. And then if we have, this is just a rough sketch, and if we just have a position, this is just to maintain the position of beak, and if we just have this beak here, just a rough idea of how to maintain our things, even though this is in no way near to the actual drawing. This is how I'll be going in, and I can see there is not so much of a bulge outside, and there's not much of distance from the beak. It's somewhere here. It comes out from here, and then it goes here, just a little here, and then it comes here. And if we think this is the place we are going here, and this is the line, we can terminate it here, and then we need to maintain the beak is here, then somewhere around here the neck part of the bird is coming here, it's coming out here, and there is a dip in the curvature here. Again on this painting of a bird, and the first thing would be to erase excess graphite from the sketch, from my drawing. Just have an idea only where are the boundaries, where are the demarcations, and that's it. And not too much, leave a little of graphite on the paper so that things are visible. Then we can work it out accordingly, and obviously we'll be starting from the head part of it. Well, as such, we are nowhere near the target right now, because there are some other things to be done. This is metallic paint. There is always some shine on the feather of birds. So for that I'll be using a little of metallic paint as well, taking due care that I don't overdo it. So I like to work on the branch on which the bird is sitting, and I'm gonna take some colors right from my palette and then try to mix them over here, not on the palette itself. So see what's the effect gonna be, starting right from the lightest shade I have here, just giving some touches here and there. And proceeding here, just being a little faster so that it doesn't dry up till I come with the next color. Another sting here, and we just don't have to forget the masking fluid that we have applied is to be removed as well. And even though I have removed a little from this place, but there's some masking fluid over here, and that's to be taken care of. And even here, so this is coming off nicely. Leaving behind the bold and stark white surface and giving a hint of white feather, and same as the case here. Taking it off, it's very important, and it can give us a good texture. And then there is a little of masking fluid here even, and that's it. And we can even remove some graphite if it's still on the paper, some lines which are visible still. So we're almost done, and the next would be to go specifically in those places where we need some kind of enhancement, maybe places in the fin here, and do some work here. Darken it up, and so we have always a spray bottle, and just to wake up these colors. An easy way, and this I've done, and now it's my choice. The colors you have to use all available. Just need to stir them a little. I need to have a dark color which I can apply in certain places to give a suggestion of shadows, or where the light is not falling, things like that. And I can have a mix of this color as well. This is enough for me. Always good to test the color, the shade we are making, and I believe it needs little enrichment, and I need to add a little, and I have a choice. I can go in for Persian blue, and definitely it will be darker than this. Oh yeah. Though Persian blue is dominant here, we can enrich it again, and this time with Payne's Grey. Just a little of it, because Payne's Grey is very strong, enriched color. It changes the mood of another shade drastically, and you can see for yourself just now. Look here, see the way it has changed the mood of the color. This is it. I don't need to go any further, and the time is ripe enough to go in those places where I need to enhance the shadows and give a suggestion of layers of feather. This is one such place. Very carefully